Now that we understand the basics of DNA, we can go into cell division. The objective of this video is to briefly define cell division, as well as nuclear division and cytokinesis. All cells in multicellular organisms are derived from pre-existing cells that divide to make them. The only exception to this in multicellular organisms is zygotes, because zygotes are formed by fusion between the male and the female sex cells. Cell division has two main stages, nuclear division and cytokinesis. They are both processes of division, but this is how they differ. In nuclear division, the nucleus and not the entire cell divides. And nuclear division has two types, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the division of the cells of the body, except for the sex cells, and meiosis is the division of the sex cells. Cytokinesis is a process that follows nuclear division. So first nuclear division happens, the nucleus divides, and then cytokinesis happens, which is a process by which the whole cell divides after the nucleus divides. These happen in succession, first nuclear division and then cytokinesis, and this is how we end up with new cells from a parent cell that divided. However, before the division of cells, before even nuclear division, DNA must be replicated. So one copy of DNA must become two copies of DNA, so that once the nucleus divides, one copy will go to one side of the cell, and another copy will go to another side of the cell, and then cytokinesis will happen, and then these two sides of the cell, each having a copy of DNA, can divide, and this is how we end up with, for example, two cells from one cell, but each has a copy of DNA, so no DNA is lost. This helps ensure that all the daughter cells have the genetic information from the parent cell. So the first thing we're going to discuss in detail now is this DNA replication. And this is what we're going to discuss in the next video.